Welcome to my channel Detailed Math Solutions. In this video I'm going to show how to find the four special products with three-factor higher degree terms displayed on the screen. To solve these exercises, I'm going to use the special product formula for sum and difference of the same terms, a plus b in parentheses multiplied by a minus b in parentheses equals to a squared minus b squared. This formula can also be written as a minus b in parentheses multiplied by a plus b in parentheses equals to a squared minus b squared. I'm going to use the formula written in both ways to solve the following exercises. In the first exercise, the term minus 6a x to the third power will correspond to the a in the formula, and the term 5a squared x to the seventh power will correspond to the b in the formula. When applied, it equals to minus 6a x to the third power in parentheses squared minus 5a squared x to the seventh power in parentheses squared. When I distribute the exponent, I have minus 6 squared a squared x to the third power in parentheses squared minus 5 squared a squared in parentheses squared x to the seventh power in parentheses squared. This simplifies to 36 a squared x to the sixth power minus 25 a to the fourth power x to the 14th power. In the next exercise, the term minus 3a to the 8th power x to the 6th power will correspond to the a in the formula, and the term 5a to the 4th power x to the 2nd power will correspond to the b in the formula. And when I use the formula, this equals to minus 3a to the 8th power x to the 6th power in parentheses squared minus 5a to the 4th power x squared in parentheses squared. This equals to minus 3 in parentheses squared a to the 8th power in parentheses squared x to the 6th power in parentheses squared minus 5 squared a to the 4th power in parentheses squared x to the 2nd power in parentheses squared, which simplifies to 9a to the 16th power x to the 12th power minus 25a to the 8th power x to the 4th power. In the next exercise, I have the two terms 7a to the third power and x to the 10th power with opposite signs within each parenthesis. I can't apply the formula directly, therefore, I need to write this expression in a slightly different way. I need to switch the places of the two terms within the first parentheses and do that for the two terms in the second parentheses as well, switch their places. I notice that I have a to the power of 0. Based on the rules of exponents, any number to the power of 0 equals to 1. Therefore, I can write this expression as minus 8x to the 9th power plus 7a to the third power x to the 10th power in parentheses multiplied by minus 8x to the 9th power minus 7a to the third power x to the 10th power. This way, now, the term minus 8x to the 9th power will correspond to the a in the formula, and the second term 7a to the third power x to the 10th power will correspond to the b in the formula. And this will equal to minus 8x to the 9th power in parentheses squared minus 7a to the third power x to the 10th power in parentheses squared. When I distribute the exponent, I have minus 8 in parentheses squared x to the 9th power in parentheses squared minus 7 squared a to the third power in parentheses squared x to the 10th power in parentheses squared. And when I simplify further, I have 64x to the 18th power minus 49 a to the 6th power x to the 20th power. For the next exercise, again, I need to write it in a way that I can apply the formula. I need to switch the places of each term within each parenthesis. This way, I can write this as minus 4a to the 8th power. And we know that by the rules of exponents, any number to the power of 1 equals to the same number. Therefore, x to the power of 1 will be x. Minus 9a to the 5th power x to the 4th power in parentheses multiplied by minus 4a to the 8th power x plus 9a to the 5th power x to the 4th power. When I apply the formula, I have minus 4a to the 8th power x in parentheses squared minus 9a to the 5th power x to the 4th power in parentheses squared. This equals to minus 4 in parentheses squared a to the 8th power in parentheses squared x squared minus 9 squared a to the 5th power in parentheses squared x to the 4th power in parentheses squared. This simplifies to 16a to the 16th power x squared minus 81a to the 10th power x to the 8th power. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel and click the like button. I'm thrilled that you joined me and look forward to sharing my other videos. Please click on any video displayed on the screen to see more detailed math solutions.